Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about password and Android phone security settings. And in this video, I'm going to show you important button you need to turn on right now to show password character of any account or your Android device without any stress. Let me show you how. I'm going to go ahead and start all over from the beginning right here. I'm going to click on here and close this tab right here. And the next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and look for settings on my Android phone. Go ahead and make sure you look for settings. Click on settings right here. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here on your settings section. Scroll down until you get to privacy and security. Click on that. And it's going to take you right here. Then simply scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to privacy control. Click on privacy control. Then here you go. You have permission manager here. Scroll down right here and then continue to scroll down until you see show password. All you have to do is to go ahead and turn on this button right here. Display password character briefly as you type. When you want to log into any website or apps on your Android device, this password show character here is going to show you at least 4 or 5 hints of your password. This will make you to remember the rest of the password should in case you forgot your account password on your Android device. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.